The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A massive launch of nuclear missiles has taken place. It is believed that the launch has occurred from North Korea. 2 of these missiles are on course for the United States. 1 missile is headed for Alaska, and another is headed for Hawaii. Residents in these states should seek out a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear weaponry. Prolonged exposure will result in certain death. If you are near a fallout shelter, go to this location now. As a last resort, go to a basement or underground shelter, and place as many objects between you and the outside. Have a battery-powered radio or television with you, and listen for further statements and updates. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KHNL. We will continue to serve the Hawaii area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Hawaii area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The missiles launched by North Korea heading for the United States have been intercepted and no longer pose a threat to residents of the United States. The emergency action notification has been lifted, and it is safe to exit your fallout shelters. Repeat, the emergency action notification has been lifted, and it is safe to exit your fallout shelters. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations may now resume.